Okay. Good morning, everyone. So today in this hands-on training, I'm just sharing this video so that everyone can get a good revision as well. So, like I said, all the panels on the top of Aerobin have been replaced. The Aerobins are sturdy and also they are flexible at the same time. That means they'll just lock in. So please be careful about not leaning on them. The only way to open them is like this. We open. We are going to rename both the Aerobins again. One suggestion came from Saloni was that we can give them names. So please think of names for the composter. Here at the base, as you can see, we have added compost for activation. So this is our starting mixture. One layer of compost from our garden has gone in there, and now we will be adding the greens and the browns. Before we do that, let me give you a good brief introduction on how a Aerobin works. As you know, this is the air well here. The USP of Aerobin is that this does not require any mixing up of the greens and the browns. That the reason behind that is, from the bottom, the air, it's a hot composting box. So when the heat is generated, the water moves up in the form of gas, and from the bottom the air moves up inside and circulates around the chamber. The water which hits the top gets condenses and recirculates back into the pit. In this way, the moisture content and the air flow within the Aerobin is maintained. Hence, going forward, we will not be aerating the bin manually. What we are going to do is, we will add our greens and the browns and leave it there, and monthly we will remove semi-prepared compost from here and transfer it into green bags like those, and then leave that there for maturation. So the volunteering opportunities will come every month to add the browns in the black box, and also to add, to take out the compost and add it to the green bins. So now let's get on to what greens and what browns are we going to add in our mixture. So can we have the greens here? Yeah. Great. So these are very well chopped.
Mine is also there.
Yeah. So this is a mix of greens and browns. Sorry, greens. Some are wet and some are some are wet. As you can see here, in this, green leaves are also there. Then some eggshells are also there, and these are all green. These will not release much water, but here it is little watery. So just mix all your greens together in this red tub. Look for it here. Look for the tongs also, and just evaluate your mixture. How wet does it look to you? Ideally, the ratio which has been recommended. Let's crush the eggshells a little bit more and try to make a mix like this, because then the quality of compost which will come out of our bins will be way much better. So now, idea is, in 1 kg of greens we can add 2 handfuls of browns. When you lift the browns, take a variety of browns. So take the eggshells, take the cardboard boxes, and take the leaves. So these are 2 handful, and now we will mix it thoroughly. Let's add little bit of our coffee browns. Coffee browns are the carbon source. We can afford to add a little bit here, and now this.
So the coffee browns are also kept here?
No, these Anita had got with her. But so, if you have coffee browns, you can add it to your mix.
Okay.
Get it here. Like I said, empty everything out which you get from home. See your greens and browns, and accordingly add the browns in here.
So the coffee grounds have to be rinsed with,
Yes,
with water, and so is the case with the tea grounds as well.
yes.
Tea leaves.
Tea leaves. So tea leaves are the greens, but coffee grounds are the browns.
Okay.
So like you can see here, how does this mixture looks to you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's dry enough, not too wet, and we know that little bit water which will be released will keep the mixture uniform. So now this will be ready to be put in the bin. 2-3 cautions here: do not lean on the bin, just use the tub, and the one thing which we need to protect here with our lives is the airway. So
The
the
this
lung
thing
cavity.
here.
So we should not,
This.
yeah, take caution not to put any food on it, and also not to hit against it. Just sprinkle
All around
all
it.
around, and voila, we are ready to go. That's all we need to do every time our turns come. Hope you will enjoy it, and we will see you at the compost pit.
Thank you.